Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to change cells color based on their value. So this is called conditional formatting, and I will show you right now how to do this. First, select the values that you want to color. Now press format and select conditional formatting. Here, simply select format cells if. So select the criteria. So in my case, it will be greater than. So if the cell is greater than the value I insert here, so I will insert 70, then it will have this color. I can change the color to red, for example, and add another rule if I want. If I'm done adding my rules, I can select done. And now, as you can see, this conditional formatting is inserted. It is really this simple. So let's say I will insert 100 right here in here, press enter. As you can see, it is colored. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.